Hello, and welcome to Mapview's Getting Started Guide. In this video, we will walk you through getting started with Mapview on your iPhone and iPad by discussing the important information about importing your data, navigating the main menu, and much more. Upon launching Mapview, the first thing you will need to do is sign in or sign up. Once you have entered your information and chosen your plan, you will be prompted to choose groups of contacts from your address book. Select the groups you would like to sync or tap Done to continue without importing contacts. Now that you have logged into Mapview, the first thing you will see is a map displaying the imported contacts and any location-based appointments. Each group imported will be automatically assigned a different color custom pin to differentiate them on the map. At the top of the screen is the date. The date signifies which day's appointments and meeting tasks you are viewing on the map. Today's date is shown in red, while future dates are shown in black. At the bottom of the screen, on the left-hand side, is the menu icon. Tap here to access all of Mapview's features. If you would like to have quick access to the menu while you are working on the map, you can drag the menu slowly to the left and a smaller menu will appear on the screen. On the right side of the screen, there are three icons. The Earth icon on the bottom is for map settings. Here, you can access map settings, such as standard or hybrid map view. You can also choose to work in miles or kilometers, turn on or off points of interest or buildings. Buildings are shown in 3D mode. To access 3D mode, you can swipe up on the map with two fingers in the standard map view. Also, you can see when I zoomed in, there is text below the pin. You can edit the color and text size in the map settings as well. Lastly, you can filter the data on the map by address labels. For example, if you do not want to see data mapped by home addresses, you can tap it to turn it off. Above the map settings icon are the current location icon and the radial search quick button. We will discuss more about the radial search icon in a subsequent video in this series. Now that I've gone through the icons around the home screen, let's take a look at the menu bar and walk through some of Mapview's features. At the top of your menu bar, you will see your account information. To view more information about your account, you can tap the icon next to your name. Here, you can view your plan usage, upgrade your account, set your caller ID for Mapview calling, or sign out. With Mapview's new menu structure, we wanted to make it easy to get back to the main menu even if you are 2 taps deep. Therefore, you can tap and hold the back button anytime to quickly open the main menu. Back at the main menu, below the account information is where you can set the date and date range you would like to work with. For example, I set the date of March 23rd and the date range to a calendar quarter. By doing this, I can go back to the main menu, open my planned activities list, and the list will be focused on March 23rd. Similarly, if I go back to the main menu and open the Trips menu, I can see that I have an upcoming trip to Houston. So if I go back to the map, I can see my trip for that day with the route drawn between the stops. Looking at the map, you can also see that the appointment flags for February are still showing on the map, since the date range is set to a calendar quarter. Except now, instead of showing the time of the appointment, they show the date. To see a list of contacts that I have imported, I can go back to the main menu and tap Lists by Name. I can also go to the Filters menu and turn on or off specific groups to filter contacts on the map. Back at the main menu, I will cover the last 3 menu items. First, all Mapview plans offer voice over IP calling minutes each month. You can use the calling feature by tapping the Call menu item. You can also set up your caller ID in the account settings area. Next is Recent Activity, where you can see all your completed tasks and appointments. Last is the Settings menu, where you can import or remove contacts and set up your app preferences such as language and calendar syncing. Here, you can also view more support documentation on our website or quickly contact our app support team. Thanks for watching our Mapview Getting Started guide. Please continue our roadmap series for more in-depth feature discussions. If you have any questions, please contact us at appsupport@thecaseygroup.com or visit our website support section at support.mapview.com.